So today we're heading up to Muir, up somewhere there. You can't see it from here right now, but hopefully we have great weather, obviously, and a little bit tired from the last few days and traveling and all that, but we're feeling good, so hopefully we can make it up. And then tomorrow we will head to the summit, or tonight I guess you could say. So it's currently Sunday, and I was not able to summit yesterday. My back ended up hurting, so I let Riley go up the mountain with the guides and everyone on his own. So I'm currently, it's Sunday. He should have just summited and is on his way back down. I'm up here at Glacier Vista with the mountain, trying to get back up to Muir so I can meet him before he gets off the summit. I like to surprise him at Muir, so I can see Muir, but it's way out there in the distance. It's way up there. So we'll see how quickly I can get up there. I'm making good time right now, but I'm taking a quick break. And I just got a light pack, where yesterday I had a 38-pound pack, so my back couldn't handle that, but I feel good enough to carry this 12-pound pack. So continue going. I'm on the Muir snowfield. I'm starting to feel it though. I'm getting tired. I'm trying to make it up before they get off the summit, but it's 10:51 and I think they're about to get off. Or they're already off the summit, but before they get back to Muir is what I meant. So I'm gonna try to haul ass up this hill. And hill, I mean mountain. I gotta get where those people are, all the way up to that rock right there. So I've gone 2.6 miles and I got another 1.5 or so. It's gonna be a journey up there, but I'm gonna try to make it in time. I'm just worried I'm gonna get up there and then they're gonna be leaving and I wanna make lunch because I don't know if I'll make it back down if I don't eat. So I'll probably have to say hi, make lunch, and then catch up to them and then go back down to base camp and meet them there, but it should be fun. I was like, I'm gonna surprise him. I'm gonna make it up here. Yes. Found him.
Reading the book.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
That's dope.
We went all the way up.
What is that, Columbia Crest or something?
Columbia Crest, yeah. It's insane. You can see everything.
Really?
Like literally everything. There were a few clouds, but you could see for miles.
That's awesome.
It was nuts.
So I made it up to Muir to find the group, and they're all around here just in time. So we spent about 20 minutes here and then we're gonna go stay down and have some fun. We'll see some. I just can't say it. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that was a good one. It's a little bumpy here.
You should get a video of this one. This is the big one. Yeah, so chop chop.
Alrighty, I'm gonna send it. Oh gosh, that's a lot of snow.